Ospedaletti, once again, beautiful location, beautiful sea view, and a beautiful penthouse with this huge terrace. Please follow us. This residence consists of 2 buildings. Each of them is divided on 6 apartments. The park with greenery with private access from the uphill. This house originally was divided in 2 floors, so that was the main entrance, and here we have this beautiful spacious living space. Here we have the dining area, from which you can go directly to this spacious, really big terrace. And in this part of the living area we have the fireplace, perfectly functioning. Proceeding from this part of living area, we are going directly to the kitchen, which is separated, of course. In the kitchen here we have the bespoke furniture everywhere, the marble table and the window, of course, with the sea view. Eventually you can also cut off this wall to make the open space. The first bathroom, which is also could be considered either for the guests, and from bathroom we are going inside to the laundry room. The first master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. We have the direct access to the terrace, of course with the sea view as usual, and a walk-in closet. Second bedroom for the kids, for guests. And also here we also have the second bathroom. And on this side we have this small studio with the passions of the owner, which could be a bit bigger in case you wish to unite it with this bedroom. So today we showed you this perfectly renovated apartment, 2 beds, 2 bathrooms, living area, 2 garages are also included in the price. In case, of course, you'd like to know the price, please contact us.